So, ngayon ay June 21 and 6 days ko na. Ay, 5th day ko na. So, wala naman masyadong ganap. Ano lang, natulog lang ako. Anong maga naglakad-lakad ako, and then maga hanggang afternoon is nagstay lang ako dito kasi super init here in Hanoi. And nung hapon I randomly search lang sa Google Map na parang shops that offers yung may rice meal, kasi parang 3 days na akong di nagra-rice, parang puro noodles lang, well, rice noodles. Tapos yun, may nakita ako yung Huong Viet. Masarap naman yung fried rice, mas na-enjoy ko siya nung tinake out ko na, mas masarap nung malamig na. And then yun lang naman, and more on pahinga lang kasi tomorrow I change my plans. Dapat papunta akong Sapa, I change it to Ninh Binh kasi parang yung na-meet ko online na person, he has like an English center, and then suddenly he told me like, gusto mo punta ka dito, I'll accommodate your accommodation and food. Meron naman talaga akong planong pumuntang Ninh Binh, pero hindi pa dapat ngayon. Parang tomorrow supposedly Sapa, and then 2 days 1 night in Sapa, and then I'll go to Ninh Binh. So yun, kinancel ko yung like change of plans. Kinancel ko yung Sapa, kinancel ko din yung Ninh Binh ko na accommodation, and then tomorrow we'll see kung ano mangyari. So kung hindi man niya sagutin yung accommodation, it's okay, I can book another naman. And then yun, gusto ko lang din makita yung English center nila, kung ano, paano niya ginagawa. And then sabi naman niya, I can like visit yung mga tourist spot doon sa location nila. So bukas malalaman ko anong gagawin. Then yun, same plan. From Ninh Binh, I'll go to Yue to Danang to Hoi An to Dalat or Nha Trang, and then back to Ho Chi Minh, and then yeah, back to Manila. That's it.